This is the letter Y. Big Y, little y. The letter Y makes the y sound like yo-yo. A lot of words begin with the letter Y, like yellow, yarn, yacht, yams, yogurt, yellow jacket. What other words begin with the letter Y? Y is for yak. That's right, yak. What is a yak? Yaks are large, sturdy animals, kind of like cows, with thick fur that keeps them warm in cold weather. They have long horns and big hooves to walk on snowy, rough ground. Yaks live high in the mountains of Tibet and Central Asia. They eat grasses, herbs, and moss. Yaks are friendly animals that like to stay in herds and can be very curious. Time to look. Here are some parts of a yak. I see horns, a furry coat, 4 hooves, and a cute cow face. Let's look at some different yaks for ideas. What do you see? I see yaks in many different styles. There's no right or wrong way to make a yak. Let's draw. You need paper, marker, and something to make color with. Time to create our yak art.
A wiggle line with a matching wiggle line underneath, and that is going to be our yak's fur. We're going to go underneath the top part of his head into a sideways oval. Inside the sideways oval, we're going to do some upside or sideways teardrops and color them in for his nostrils. Underneath the oval, we're going to do a little jump line across, so that's his mouth. Putting your pencil or pen on the bottom of his hair, we're going to do a curved line, both sides, kind of like a thin U. Those are his ears. All right, from the ear, we're going to draw a line down and connect to the mouth, draw a line down, connect to the mouth. So now we're going to do his horns on either side coming out of the wiggly line. 2 horns. Now we're going to do a wiggly line down from his head to his back. Underneath his body, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles. Those are going to turn into his feet. Let's do another gentle wiggle line down from his mouth to the top of his feet. And then wiggle lines up. So he has 2 feet. We're going to do a wiggle line down to the back rectangle. Wiggle line up, and now we're going to attach his feet with another, you guessed it, wiggle line. So now he's got a furry tummy. And that last leg in the back, 2 wiggle lines down. Now he's going to have that wiggly tail too, lots of wiggly lines today. So we're going to do 2 wiggly lines that meet together. And we're going to give him a little bit more fur up around his neck. Wiggly line up and around. Now we have our yak. Now remember, yak begins with the letter Y. So I'm going to do a big Y and a little y just to help me remember.
Let's add color. Ta-da! You made a yak. Yowza. Yak is for Y, the letter Y. Thank you for joining us today. Please consider liking and subscribing to Bold Soul Whimsy for more art education content. See you in the next one.